the water for my trip, which I'm going to acquire badly. This experience seems very interesting, and I'm sure if you come, you're going to enjoy cycling and doing everything all by yourself.
Even at Vice will also.
About to embark on a pretty awesome adventure with a bunch of awesome kids.
I'm from Delhi. Let's see what's going to happen. माफ कर दो सर जी, और नहीं चला जाता, और नहीं चला जाता. 95 kilometers. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज, आपको पता है अभी 12 साइकिलिस्ट उड़ते हुए आए हैं. 4 बजे उठना. ओहो.
लेजेंड हिल था, उसको जो कंप्लीट किया, जो फीलिंग थी, ओहो. आखिरकार जो बड़े बड़े बाइकर्स नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाए, हमने किया. I was riding at around 25 miles an hour. No one near me to 2 miles, and that was like the best moment I've ever had.